Hello guys, this is just a quick unboxing and review for the Scorpion M720W Wireless Gaming Mouse by Marvo. As you can see, the box is neat and very straightforward with all the essential details on it. Upon opening the box, it contains the mouse and a small manual. Just FYI that the battery is not included. Now for the specs, the unit sensor is optical Pixar 3212 with operating distance of 10 meters and supports Windows 7 or newer OS. This is powered by one AA battery and can be connected to the computer via USB 2.0 wireless nano receiver, which you can get in the battery compartment at the back. The mouse gets smooth coating, which is a bit rubberish in texture at the top, while uncoated glossy plastic at the sides. And you can choose from 6 DPI settings, which includes 800, 1200, 1600, 2400, 3200, and 4800 that you can easily change while using the mouse depending on your preference during the game. The mouse gets 6 backlight colors, which includes red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, and white. It also got 8 buttons, which are the left and right buttons, the scroll wheel at the center, which is also rubber layered for easy scrolling. There is also another small left button at the side, which functions as fast key for double click upon pressing it once. There are also buttons for forward and back at the side, which are pretty useful. Then at the center, there are 2 buttons. One for DPI that instantly change your DPI setting while using the mouse, which helps you depending on your role in the game. Another button below it is for turning on or off your backlight, in case you want to save your battery life. I bought this mouse for 899 pesos at Octagon Computer Store, which have many branches in different malls. For the pros, I feel comfortable using it, since the size is just right for my hand and my fingers are secured holding it, thanks to the curvy ergonomic design which enhances the hand grip. It functions very well, I don't have any problems on navigating, and I really like the fast key double click and forward-backward buttons. As for the cons, I think the soft coating can easily worn off and prone to scratches, like if the mouse accidentally fall on the ground or if you have long fingernails. I hope they have just made this as matte plastic finish. I also don't like that the backlight colors are dependent to the DPI setting, since the colors can only be changed by clicking the DPI button, which also changes your DPI setting. As an example, I prefer the red backlight, but the DPI assigned to it is just 800, in which I'm having trouble on navigating my screen. My preferred one is at least 2400, but the color is already yellow. I can't find any apps for Marvo that can edit the assigned colors, but again, this can still be useful for extreme players as they can easily identify the DPI mode by just looking at the backlight color as they switch the settings while on the game.
So there you have it guys, I hope I was able to help you decide whether to buy this gaming mouse or not. Do you think it's affordable enough? Feel free to comment down below and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more.